Hi everyone. In part one of this video, I realized while I was working on the piece that for some reason I'd been too aggressive in erasing the grid line, and this has flattened the tooth on the page, which is stopping the powdered charcoal from adhering when I try and brush it on. You can still get charcoal to adhere to it, but it just requires a bit more work. So using a blending stump or actually putting charcoal directly onto it, either from a vine stick or a charcoal pencil, seems to help. My only issue is it's not giving me quite the subtle finish of skin or a skin tone. So I've decided I'm going to carry on working and revisit it when I'm getting a bit closer to the end of the piece. I don't want it to hold me up or ruin the flow that I'm in at the moment, but we'll keep going. I'm going to leave a card up in the corner of this video for part one if you haven't watched that. Please feel free to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again soon.